Welcome to IMQ IVFC Math Quiz. In this video, there will be 5 items to answer, and for each item, you are asked to add a set of 10 numbers in 20 seconds. Kindly take note of the video ID. Likewise, have your answer sheet ready, having numbered 1 to 5. Are you ready? Here are the questions. Question number 1. Write down your answer in the answer sheet. Question number 2. Write down your answer in the answer sheet. Question number 3. Write down your answer in the answer sheet. Question number 4. Write down your answer in the answer sheet. Question number 5. Write down your answer in the answer sheet. After checking your answer, write down your total score. Congratulations! Please don't forget to share this video to other Filipino children. This is free and this is my advocacy.